Hi, I'm Bo, and welcome to Upwave Explains, why stat-sig isn't the whole story. Let's talk about statistical significance, or stat-sig, a term you hear a lot in brand measurement. It's often treated as the gold standard for success, but here's the truth. Stat-sig simply means the results you're seeing would have been unlikely if your campaign had no effect, not that the campaign drove meaningful lift. We see two common misuses. First, declaring a campaign a win just because it hit stat-sig. Second, ignoring tactics with high lifts just because they haven't reached stat-sig yet. But significance can change, especially early in a campaign, and those high lift tactics that aren't quite significant, they can still be worth exploring to understand what's really driving performance. Where I find stat-sig shines is at the end of a campaign, when you have the most data. That's when it's most useful to pinpoint the tactics and audiences that truly move the needle. So yes, stat-sig is a helpful tool, but it's just that, a tool, and it works best when it's part of a bigger measurement strategy. Still have questions about stat-sig? Let us know.